Hey everyone, I'm Chef Chris. I'm going to show you guys how to cook some Manila clams. What should I say about them? Nice little sweet dish. Clams are a very easy thing to cook. One of the easiest shellfish. Low calorie, high protein. They're really easy to add to pastas. At Taylor Shellfish, we purge all of our clams ahead of time, so you won't have to worry about any sand in your clams. But once you get your clams, you want to store them in your fridge with a damp cloth. They'll keep for up to 5 to 7 days. One thing to watch out for with any shellfish when you're cooking them is to make sure that they're closed. What you want to do is just tap them on the counter, give them a quick squeeze. If they close back up, they're good to eat. If they don't, you toss them out. Okay, so I'm going to turn this thing on. It's not plugged in. Alrighty, so here we go, the fun part. Let's cook some clams. I'm going to prepare a spicy broth for you guys. Typically your broth is going to be something like a butter and a wine, some form of a sauce like that. But there's all kinds of them out there, and we're going to have some recipes for you guys online. Alright, so what you're going to do is start off with your butter. You want to melt that just a little bit. Oh boy. And you want to do this really quick. So add your shallots, add your garlic, and then we're just going to add our clams right away. So I'm doing about a pound of clams. They're always going to season with salt, a couple pinches of pepper, some Italian parsley. This heat is really dependent on you. I'm going to do one just for the sake of the people I'm with. You don't want to burn their mouth off. Then we're just going to add a little bit of white wine. Your choice of white wine. So let your clams steam for about 3 to 5 minutes and they're going to be ready to eat. Oh, that's smelling delicious. So what I'm looking for in the pot right now is that all my clams are open. All right, so what you want to do is stack your clams up nice and high so that the people that you're serving can see what your hard work has gone to. All right, so now that you've got your clams all stacked up here, you're going to take your pot and just dump that beautiful spicy broth all over the top of them. There you have it. Perfectly steamed bowl of clams. You want to have dinner on the table in 5 minutes.